Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get the dark mode on YouTube. Basically how to get the dark theme on YouTube in 2025. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. So in the past you needed actually an extension, so a Google Chrome extension for example, in order to get the dark theme on YouTube. But nowadays it's actually integrated in YouTube and it's actually very simple. All you have to do is here go to your profile, then you want to actually go down here to appearance and you see device theme and simply click dark theme here. And as you can see, YouTube is now in dark theme, and if I go to the homepage as well, my YouTube will be in the dark theme. And then of course you can also go back here. Light theme is basically the same idea as when you actually go and do the use device theme. It's the same idea basically. This is like the considered default, if you will. As you can see, it's very simple. It's actually as simple on your phone. Also click your profile and do device settings to dark theme. And so there we go. That's really all I wanted to show here. Quick tutorial. Hope you enjoyed, of course. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe, would also be really nice. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.